Say it again, Phoenix. Say, hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. Say, hey, you. No, hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. All right. Yeah, I scratched my head, too. Say, hey, you. Yeah, you did it. Hey, you. Okay, so I'm about to put on Johnny Carson. The animal guess.
It's from the tropics. This is a night. Obviously, the smell of olives attracts me.
Well, it's Sunday, May the 18th. Yeah, it's lunchtime. It's noon. And, all right, we'll watch this later after we have our popcorn popped. So, just playing solitaire here. What else can I do? And there's my sarong that I gave to somebody, but she wasn't really a woman. I don't know what she was. Yeah. Well, she tried. And, oh, I remember so many birds at our cabin at Island Lake. So many birds at our cabin. And Jennifer, you told me we would be inheriting your parents' cabin. But she's no longer with us. Gone. Gone. I don't know. 6 years ago? No, 2018. 46, she's gone. And James at 15. That was a good year for me. And me and Jamie, we used to skateboard all the time. 60. That's too young to go. Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. I know, I scratched my head too. Okay. Let's just check out. Hey, you.
The North Shore Pharmacy and Virtual Care Clinic provides virtual access to a doctor or an in-house doctor.
Look at this. Panasonic television still works from 1980.
Your health is their goal.
Service Plus is not just here for your major installations.
I think I dealt with them, didn't I? Well, hey, yeah, yeah, that was Chi-Chi. That was through the screen door from a photo I took. Hey. Well, if I have to sell this place, I have to sell this place. And this is really neat. My Nana said, don't ever get rid of this. This was handcrafted from Germany. A couple 100 years old. Hey. And Tweety Bird. I thought I saw a putty tat. And hear no evil, speak no evil. How does it go? Hear no evil, speak no evil, feel no evil. And this is me. I surfed for the first time in Costa Rica about 3 years ago. And I skin dived with the turtles in Indonesia 2 years ago. I'm not a rich guy. I got no money now. Right? Do you agree? Yeah? You agree? You agree? Look at this. Look at all the bills I gotta pay. That's insanity. So I bought some Jiffy Pop popcorn. I haven't had Jiffy Pop popcorn in 50 years. So let's turn it on. And we'll eat popcorn and watch Johnny with his animals. Right? Okay. It is now noon on Sunday. And it is a pretty sunny day, but it poured rain yesterday, but that's good for the crops. Can't get my African violets to do anything. I don't understand. Oh, we got flies again. Yeah. Cactus, you really don't... I thought that was interesting. And the African violets are doing okay. You want to try some Jiffy Pop? Hey, you want to watch? You want to watch it pop? Okay. Jiffy Pop popcorn. Well, let's go outside first. We got a little bit of... Uh-oh. Was that... No. These are pigeons. They won't attack you, but a magpie will. So, you want to go in the fountain? Yeah, you can have a bath. It's warm enough. This is the best way to have a barbecue. Charcoal briquettes and lighter fluid. Whatever you're cooking, it tastes much better. And there's my wasp trap. I haven't seen any yet. Oh, he's going for it. The water could be a little chilly for him, but yeah. Clean off those parasites. Yeah. Well, my kids love the water all the time. I taught them how to dive and snorkel. How to speak Spanish. So, well, should we get the popcorn going now? You're enjoying that, aren't you? Yeah, you're enjoying that. I got my fountain working again. How I did it, I don't know. Just fluke. All right. I don't know. I don't have much of an appetite today. But maybe I'll have a barbecue tomorrow. I got a few things. Oh, George is... Look at his purple flowers. Wow, what are those? I got purple flowers. Everybody thinks I'm in competition with George's yard. No, I'm not. All right, we got some watering to do. You're funny. All right. Well, the pansies are doing pretty good. I got those on sale. These pansies are doing really good. They didn't look good a couple days ago. I guess they just needed more water. And the fuchsias are doing okay. It's Sunday. Yeah. Here's all your cousins. So, how many puzzles did we do, Julie? A lot. And there's Mount Peter and Mount Paul. And it's 12 o'clock, high noon. The sun is at culmination, at zenith. Yeah. Well, my cedar is coming back after the deer ate it. And the potentillas are now coming out. Oh, yeah. Someone else died in Brock. I don't know. And the marigolds are taking off. They're doing good. Where's my tag for that? What were those called again? I don't remember, but I liked them. Where? Oh, there it is. They're called annual Gazania hybrid. Gazania. I've never heard of it. I like them. And the marigolds are coming along, and they keep away the bugs and the deer. And I thought the deer killed my peach tree, but I don't know. I see buds there, but what's going on? Did they destroy my tree? But I got a lot of apricots coming out. I'll probably have 3,000 apricots this year off this tree. Look at them all. They'll probably be ready to pick in a month. Good for you. Wow, I got a lot of apricots coming out this year. Last year I got nothing because of the weather. Watch out for the crows and the magpies. Yeah, I ran into George yesterday at Canadian Tire in the garden section. I guess he likes to grow things. And I don't know what I'm gonna do, if anything, with these pots. There's just weeds growing out of my pots right now. Who cares? Well, the rhubarb is doing well, Julie. I don't know what's wrong with this fountain. Had it, what, 4 years? Got it from Amazon. I have no idea what's wrong with this fountain. And I don't care. Well, let's pay our respects to Bobby. He got bit by a wasp a year ago. There's Bobby. Well, he was my friend for 10 years. And Jamie Baxter, gone at 60. Holy crap, I can't believe it. And Alan gone at 71. Well, let's just... It's springtime. It's the time for rebirth. Regrowth. Right? Right? Yeah. What do we got here? I'm trying a new experimental chili there. Manitoba, tomato, and aroma. And then I got beans coming up here. And then here I got Swiss chard. And then around the corner. Hey, look at this. The last time I cooked, I hardly got anyone sick. Yeah, well, it rained quite a bit last night. I guess that's good. Parsnips should be coming up here soon. Oh, a deer got into here. Yeah. No, the parsnips did good here a couple years ago. And I keep getting sap on my windows, so it's probably from this tree, the fruit tree. And yeah, these just grow wild here. I don't know. I just thought I'd leave them. But look at these irises. The irises, they grow so fast, and then they die so fast. Alberta dwarf spruce. That was a good investment. I got that on sale for $50. Planted that 4 years ago. So, all right, without further ado, I got this in Harrison Hot Springs. I went there on my birthday in Harrison Hot Springs. Well, first of all, I stopped by there after I got back from Costa Rica and my girlfriend got out of rehab. And then I went there for my birthday during COVID. I think it was 2021. I thought this was neat. Right? Nana liked those kind of things. Hey. Yeah. Isn't this neat? Well, let's just keep this running to make sure nothing seizes up. All right, should we do the Jiffy Pop? Let's do the Jiffy Pop. I always liked watching this. Well, when I was 10 years old. So that was 50 years ago. Okay, watch this. What? It's called Jiffy Pop. 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 You're funny. Alright, it's starting. You gotta... See, I should have been a lefty. I used to write with my left hand, but then the teacher in grade 1 said, no, put your pencil in your right hand. Well, my daughter is a lefty, and my grandmother was. Yeah, I like birds. I fly out of airplanes. I'm not scared of that. That's a good puzzle. See, this is what my grandma did. I used to go shooting pheasants with my dad. Yeah, in southern Alberta. Hey, you. And she did this too. She was pretty artistic. Well, if anybody gets my table, look at this. Isn't that neat? Isn't that neat, this table? Well, wherever I go, I ain't taking it with me. Here it comes. Here it comes. Look. What do you think of that? It's like a volcano exploding. Wow. Well, that was pretty jiffy. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Now we just put a bit of salt on it. I have had this salt shaker. It used to be in the kitchen when I was a young boy of 2, 3, 4 years old. Yeah, my mom gave me this. There. Now we got popcorn. And popcorn and chives? I don't think so. So, now, let's get to the animal show. Yeah. Bally. It looks like Bally to me. I miss the ocean. I'd rather be homeless and live along the ocean than to be here cooped up in 8 months of the year with nobody. And that wasn't my choice. Nobody's got the time for anybody. Or even themselves. I don't know where that is. Where is that? That looks like Madagascar or Mauritius. Okay. Here we go.
this new code? He does anything on this new code? It's just want to be a dead kinkajou.
You can take a bite of that. He likes to
Yeah, right, there you are.
If you eat it, he'll take it and then go with it.
Right.
Anyways.
They're not dangerous, are they?
Well, they have very sharp teeth.
No, the question, Shannon, was, are they dangerous with their sharp teeth?
No, I don't. I think as long as he's on that banana, he's all right. But don't pick him up. I'll pick him up and
do that.
Okay. You can just let him have that, and he'll take care of it. But it's
These are fun. Do I have to peel it for him?
no, well, yeah, he'll do a pretty good job of that.
Yes, he is.
I want to watch an anaglyph today. 3D.
You may want to put this.
Virtual reality.
All over my very... Why don't you take this animal, Jim? You first time worn on the show, and you bring out a sloppy kinkajou. He's really cute. And what age will he be when he's really difficult to handle? It's not going to be long, like maybe tomorrow, the end of the week. He only weighs about 8 or 10 pounds.
She weighs about 10 pounds.
I just said that.
And
It's a handful. I want to. Does she ever stop moving?
she's fairly active right now. She sleeps a good part of the day.
That thing's a killer. Did you see him bite me? Why did he do that?
She's just a...
They only eat fruits and veg.
These are orangutans. This is really a very special occasion to have twins. These are twins. And they are...
Excuse me, I don't mean to laugh at your face. It's a very sweet face. It really is. Look at that face.
very strong.
Very strong for their age, aren't they? Yes.
They like to pull hair.
Look at that.
And they're about 5 months old. And
Look at the face. I think I'm in love. He looked right at me, went. Oh, they're adorable.
they're very uninhibited. And they have
Can
a...
he see me? I mean,
Oh, yes. Oh, sure. And he'll laugh. If you laugh at him, he'll usually laugh. Will he laugh for you?
Okay, you're all choked up about this. Same deal. Seems comfortable, I guess. No, he wore a coonskin, didn't he? Can't go any higher than that. What are you doing with that marmoset on your head? Well, it seems comfortable up there, I guess.
That's right.
Look at that.
That's where they
feel safe when they're kind of up and look at something, and they like the hair because they would hang on to the female. So they want.
Okay, I don't suppose. Name me one other place in this entire world of 4.5 billion people where a man is sitting with a marmoset on his head. And the odds of that happening, the possibilities stagger the mind.
If you turn sideways, it's cute how the tail is just...
Like Davy Crockett.
Okay, I guess we can probably remove him from there if you want to.
He's just uncomfortable.
Well, I can't sit and talk to people with an animal on my head. Was he spitting? Was that saliva? I don't think they're really that hungry. I suppose they're...
This one drank the whole bottle.
Yes, I know. Oh, they're adorable when they're this small, you know? It's like everybody goes crazy over small animals. You say they're so lovely when they're cute.
Especially these, because there's so few of them left.
Just purring like crazy here. Now, how long will it take before they really get a little tough to handle? But we found out 6 months later. Okay.
They're speaking to you right now.
Just relax.
They purr.
Relax. They say if you look an animal right in the face and talk to them, then they know you're not scared.
Do a cat, Howard.
I'm talking show business, folks. All right, a cat. Okay.
They're funny. They have certain things they like to say, and Howard likes to say.
He likes to laugh, that's all. Ha, ha,
He
ha.
likes to say, "My name is Howard. My name is Howard. My name is Howard."
My name is Howard. Now that is a very big rat.